Hello. So I just wanted to do a quick review since I'm about to put on my eyebrow makeup and just like my face makeup period. I just want to do a quick review on the products from the influencer box that I got. Awesome. Okay, so today I'm just gonna do a review on the Wet n Wild Water Drop Primer, and it's actually my first time actually even really looking at it and seeing kind of what it is. But yeah, like it's cucumber. I guess it has like cucumber like extracts in it. And then this is the 3-in-1 water primer water prep set and refresh. It's cruelty free. That's awesome. So no animals were killed in the making of these products. So okay, so let's see. Alright, so what I usually do, I don't usually put like a whole lot of makeup on, but let's see. Like what I usually do is just like put like eyebrow powder on, and then like sometimes I'll put like a translucent powder on, but that's it, like a foundation type of powder. But let's see. I'm not really sure which one to use first. It says apply to clean skin. I washed my face and everything before I did this. I didn't put on any moisturizer because unfortunately I don't have any right now. So I don't know if this would like act as a moisturizer, but hopefully it does because I don't have any lotion or like oil or anything. And usually I like putting oils on my skin, but okay. It says shake really well before use. I'm just gonna assume that you put this one on first and then this one on last because that's what people usually do in the videos. So, and you know what? Really, I will put some on before and after just so. But, you know, cucumbers. Okay, so I'm smelling it right now. Cucumbers actually have like a smell that is like kind of weird to me. I didn't used to like eating cucumbers, and then I moved in with my grandmother, and like that's pretty much all we made. we planted cucumbers down there, so it just I have a newfound love for cucumbers. So yeah. Oh, you know what? Let me go put on like a shirt or something. I'm sorry. This looks a lot better. Okay. So, let's see. I'm just going to put this on just so I'm not like messing up my hair or anything. That's what people usually do. So, let's put this on. Alright. Then, okay. So, what I'm going to do is just do one squirt before. Remember, I don't like cucumber smells, but that's just me. I know I would still, you know, eat a cucumber and everything. It's just, I just don't really have, like, it's just not my favorite vegetable. But, okay. Well, I definitely like how it mists on. I definitely like that. I'm just going to kind of rub it in. it dries really fast. And it doesn't feel like sticky or anything. I have rubbing on my eyebrows, because when I put the eyebrow stuff on, it's gonna. Alright. Okay, so now I'm gonna put on the water drop primer. And this, it has like a little thing that you have to peel off so you know it's super fresh. Alright. Oh my god, that really drops out like water. Oh my god. I thought I was gonna have to squeeze it out really hard, but no, like it's, oh my god, I'm really liking it already. Like, just because it's just really, I like the consistency of it. So when you open it, it will just kind of like make sure you have your hand ready right there so it can go right into your hand, or it might drop onto the floor or something. I don't know. But okay. So I'm just gonna take it like this. Oh my god, this smells good. Okay. And then I'm just gonna put like a little bit more, like, I don't know if you can tell the difference, but as soon as I put this like this on, I could automatically tell like a slight difference in so I'm just gonna put some in just some target areas that I'm just gonna put like the stuff on. I know I don't have any like bags or anything, but let's see. There we go. Oh my god, but as you can see, like my pores do, I don't know if it's just the camera, but like my pores do seem like they look a lot smoother, or just like a lot less visible. And the stuff makes your face feel really smooth and silky. Like, this stuff has a really nice consistency. Like, I really like it. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead with my normal routine that I do when I put on makeup. Sorry. Okay. So I have this janky little thing right here that broke off of the brush. So yeah, I would clean it, but I don't have any alcohol right here right now, so we won't even worry about it. It's alright. Plus I've cleaned it. Alright. So what I usually do, I'll just spray it with a little bit of this spray just to get it a little wet. Let's see. There we go. Okay. And then I usually use like just, I don't know, I don't really have like eyebrow powder. So I just use this little palette from the Lorac and just kind of put it on there like that. And it's black. It's not just like any, color. Or it's not like a brown or anything. Okay. Okay. I'm sorry if this is taking too long. But okay, so let me see. I'm gonna look in the mirror and here to do it. But yeah, as I'm looking in the mirror, like, it doesn't leave. And I have like actually big pores right here. And it definitely kind of you can see where it kind of like diminishes the appearance of them, but I'm not. I think it just helps for when you put the actual like foundation or whatever on. So okay. All right. I mean, I usually just do it like this. I don't try to do it like any like special way just because I want it to look as natural as possible, especially since I'm working like with this black. But one thing that I do like to do personally is like bring my eyebrows in just a little bit towards my nose. A lot of people in foreign countries have that type of eyebrow and just looks so good to me, and I just like for it to just kind of fade out into the nose area. But okay. And then I will do this other side real quick. So I'm going to spray this again. I'm going to do the other side. Alright, so it's just, I feel like it's taking a long time because I have this little janky thing that I'm doing it with, and it's hard to hold. Okay. Okay. Almost done, sorry. Feel free to fast forward. Alright. And boom. There goes the eyebrows. Okay. Man, see, that looks really good. I really... Okay, so we definitely like it as a spray for the brushes. Steam wet them. And then, let's see. Now I'm just going to put my foundation on that I usually put on. If I can find it anywhere. Let's see. Okay, it's right here. Alright, so... sorry. Alright, now what I'm going to do is put on, sorry, I got to clean off this. There we go. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is just put on this, put this on, and I usually just kind of put it on like right underneath my eyes. It just had a whole lot of lint on it, sorry. Okay. But yeah, I usually just put this right underneath my eyes. And it's just like a powder foundation. And I'll put some on this other side. Right here. I don't really put a lot on at all. I just like to do it, put some on just to kind of smooth my face out just a little bit. But I really kind of don't even need to do that because I eat really healthy, so, and drink a lot of water. Alright. And there it goes. I mean, I don't normally use primer, but what I will do is kind of do like like just kind of comparison, and because this is a foundation primer also, so I can just kind of do a comparison to see which one I like better. This one is a little bit more water based, and this one seems a little bit more oil based. I definitely feel the difference in them. This one makes my face feel just like, doesn't make it feel oily, but you can tell like there's that oil base in it, and it's just it dries into the skin really well. This one, it feels really good. I don't think I put on enough, but yeah, like I really like this one. And it says it's a cream to water formula, so it melts like on your face, so you don't have to worry about it, going into your pores or anything. Which one do I like better right now? Just because I don't think I used enough of this. I like this one, but this is really, I really like it, like a lot. I will definitely, would I buy it again? Yeah, I definitely would. Especially this water primer. Okay, I'm gonna put it on here again. Okay, we'll just let that dry in. Okay, sorry. Yeah, like, I mean, that part is still wet, but like I feel like this part is dry, and I just really like the way, let's see, okay, this part is still wet, so we'll see what it looks like after it dries. Yeah, it's looking like it leaves like a really nice dewy finish. Okay, and then also I just wanted to show you guys what type of eyelashes I have on, if I can find the package. I have on these eyelashes. These are really freaking awesome. When I woke up this morning, I still had my lashes on. Like, oh my god. I mean, and it wasn't even the fact that I still had them on, but like this part usually folds up and gets all weird. It didn't do that. Like, but yeah, like I really like this stuff like a lot. Thanks influencers so much. Like, jeez, I definitely have some ideas. I know that I'm definitely going back to get these. Like, I would just keep on getting these because super easy to put on. Like, oh my god, the band is like super thick and it's just really awesome. I loved it so much. But alright, I will talk to you guys later. Gotta do some hair, but yeah, it's totally dried, and look, I have not touched it or anything. Definitely leaves like a photo finish. That looks good. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you come back to watch more. And remember, please get these. These are the best.